Hello everyone, we're back with another collection of gadgets tailored for men. Today we have a selection of items specifically designed for those who enjoy tree climbing and on-the-go fixes. Additionally, we have something for those with an interest in unique knives. As always, you can find the links to these products in the description below. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Introducing your new interactive training coach, brought to you by Strike. Say hello to RXT-1, the first sparring robot that enhances your reflexes, reaction time, and cognitive processing. This remarkable device is equipped with 4 foam arms, a head target, and a torso pad. What's truly impressive is its ability to strike like a genuine fighter, making it impossible to predict which arm will attack next. RXT-1 offers 3 practice modes to refine your skills. Learn mode. Ideal for beginners. It familiarizes them with the rhythm and flow of striking. RXT-1 aids in drilling specific techniques. Spar mode. Transform the robot into your personal sparring partner. It delivers realistic yet unpredictable strikes, with 4 difficulty levels and options for both southpaw and orthodox styles. Combination mode. This mode assists in mastering over 100 pre-programmed striking combinations, or you can program your own. Here, you can learn to defend against opponent-specific combinations or enhance your speed and accuracy by striking the pads as they attack. RXT-1 eliminates the need for a mobile app or batteries. All the necessary information and settings are conveniently accessible on the touchscreen. Furthermore, it is incredibly lightweight, allowing for easy wall mounting in just 3 simple steps. Imagine having a tireless coach always prepared to train. Now let's move on to a unique keychain that serves a practical purpose. This well-designed combination utensil functions as both a spoon and a fork. Its lightweight and compact design saves valuable space in your backpack. However, its versatility doesn't stop there. It also doubles as a bottle opener and a flathead screwdriver. In case of emergency repairs, there are 3 metric wrench reliefs available. Moreover, it features a handy pry for opening cans and a middle hole that can serve as a defense tool. How cool is that? The Spork even includes a Carabiner, allowing for easy attachment to your backpack or jeans. There are multiple colors to choose from, but the bright yellow, pink, and orange options are particularly great for preventing loss. Up next, a compact survival multi-tool designed to fit in the palm of your hand. Crafted from durable aluminum, this tool is built to withstand tough conditions and serve you for a lifetime. This hand tool includes rods for fire starting, along with essential features like an emergency whistle, blade sharpener, and reflective panels. Additionally, the built-in compass and thermometer provide added convenience. The removable belt clip on the side offers versatility, allowing it to transform into a screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, 4 different hex wrenches, a serrated scraper, and even a ruler. Impressive, isn't it? If the number of functions doesn't cease to amaze you, there's an axe that's sure to impress. With features such as a hammer, pry, lever, and a nail puller, it's perfect for camping. Next, equipped with 10 multi-tools, this axe is ready to split wood and tackle icy conditions. And finally, for the ultimate multi-tool experience, there's an option with a staggering 31 tools in one compact body. In addition to the aforementioned functions, it includes a foldable 6-inch knife, seatbelt cutter, and even a gas valve shutoff wrench. With this multi-tool, there's nothing that can stand in your way. Now, let's move on to the key holder that's worth mentioning in a hurry. This innovative device can securely hold up to 4 keys and pocket tools, such as a USB flash drive, flashlight, or pen. Constructed from aircraft aluminum and hardened spring steel, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear. The key holder is designed for easy one-handed use, and it even features a removable end cap to lock the keys when not in use. However, it's crucial to ensure that this gadget is compatible with your specific keys. This slider is the epitome of reliability for any occasion. Its sleek metal body sets it apart from traditional lighters. Charging via micro USB and featuring a touch-sensitive ignition button, it offers a modern and convenient experience. Notably, there are 2 ways to utilize this lighter: quick lighting for cigarettes or a turbo flame for more demanding tasks. Available in a variety of appealing colors, it can even be personalized with a laser engraving. Additionally, there's an option that combines modern features with a classic gold design, offering the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. Now, let's introduce a fascinating titanium ring. Apart from its durability and sturdiness, the most captivating aspect lies in the set of tools integrated into the top of this accessory. This 4-in-1 multi-tool includes essential everyday items such as 2 knives with different blades, a bottle opener, and a comb. Moreover, the ring can be further customized with other tools to meet your specific needs. For instance, you can opt for pliers, and for car enthusiasts, there's even a titanium piston fidget ring. Simply turn the wheel and enjoy its calming presence. Presenting a carabiner that offers a range of benefits. Its titanium body is capable of supporting weights up to 110 pounds, rendering your keys as nothing more than a trivial load. However, with a simple movement, it transforms into a foldable knife. Equipped with a sharp scalpel blade, it can effortlessly handle various materials such as fabric, paper, boxes, and cords. The 2 angles of rotation further enhance its usability, while the blade can be easily replaced when it becomes dull. Additionally, there's a conveniently placed ruler for added practicality. How cool is that? That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.